Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. One of the coolest features for DJI consumer drones is the ability to live stream your video feed. So in this video, I'll show you how to set that up. We're going to use YouTube for an example today. In the YouTube studio, go up to Create and then select Go Live. Here, you can manage all of your past streams, go live from a webcam, and in this case, we're going to choose Stream. Here, you will find all the information for going live on YouTube. Copy the stream URL. We're going to need that information to go live in the DJI Fly app. Now let's move over to the DJI Fly app, select Go Fly, click the three dots on the top right corner of your display to go to your settings. We're going to go to Transmission and select Live Streaming Platforms. In the next screen, tap RTMP. In the space for the RTMP address is where we will paste the information from YouTube. Once you're ready to go live, click Start, and then you will see the video come onto your YouTube dashboard. If you have any questions on the process of setting up the live streaming feature on your DJI drone, go ahead and put those in the comments. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.